What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly do so? Well, that recovering your end-to-end encrypted chats is very easy, so you can actually download them. So first things first, you want to open up Messenger. Now you want to go and click on the three bar icon at the bottom right of your screen. And you want to go ahead and basically choose the option here for settings. Now you want to go to the very bottom here and just click on the See More in Account Center. And from here, you want to look for the section here that says Account Settings, and you want to go and click on Your Information and Permissions. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go and click on Download Your Information, and you want to go and click on Download or Transfer Information. Now you want to go and choose your Facebook account here and click on Next. And from here, you want to go ahead choose the specific types of information. Now from here, you want to go and choose the option here for messages. So just scroll down a bit until you see that information. So in this case, it might take a while here. So just start looking for it. But usually it should be under Save Items and Collections. So let's go and choose Messages and click on Next. And from here, you want to go and just choose the option here that says Download to Device here. And from here, you could go and choose a specific year or a specific day here. So you go and basically specify that. So for example, last year, click on Save. And from here, you want to go and choose the format, either HTML or JSON, but I would recommend you use HTML here. But yeah, so you could go and click on Create Files here. And it's going to start generating a file here, which in this case, you just need to wait for a while. So typically, it's after a few hours before the download or the file is going to be available. So typically in here in the same page, you just need to click on the download button. So either in your phone or in your computer or PC in order for you to view those messages. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.